My son, please do not do this to me.
You showed me this path, Father.
Oh, no, God, that mistake.
Listen to me! Your father must leave this house!
What? Why?
I won't live like this!
But he's my father!
I don't care. Either he leaves or I leave.
Okay. I will. Tell him. Tonight. Dad? Are you awake? I need to talk.
Come in, Dot, my son. Look at your childhood picture.
Dad, you cannot stay here anymore. I am sorry. Where will I go? I have no one but you. Don't cry, Dad. We are going to a nice home.
Grandpa, please, do not leave me.
Okay, my son. I am ready to go.
Finally. The house will be clean and quiet now.
Mommy, stop it! Don't send Grandpa away!
Oh, honey, it's okay.
No!
Go to your room, Leo. Do not speak. Now, get up those stairs. I said move.
Wow! Mommy!
Quiet, go.
Please, Father, do not cry. This place is nice. I remember when you were small. I never left you. We are here. This is the home.
Welcome. Sign these papers here, sir.
I am signing it now. Goodbye, Dad.
Goodbye, my son. May God bless you. I am sorry, Dad.
Welcome back, honey. Now we are free.
I'm so tired.
It doesn't matter anymore. We're free.
Why are you like this?
I will never forget this, Mommy.
Oh, honey.
Many years passed away. Time changed everything.
Years later.
My bones hurt. I am so old now. Leo, what? What is that? Bag 4.
Pack your clothes, Father. You are leaving.
What? What did you say, Leo?
I said pack your bags now. But why? This is my house, Leo.
No, Father. I own this house now.
Where will I go?
I'm sick.
You are a monster! I am your father!
Do you remember 25 years ago?
What? What do you mean? Oh, no. Oh my God.
I saw everything, Dad. I was 7 years old.
I was wrong, Leo. Please forgive me.
This is my punishment. I understand now. The old man walked out alone.
What you give to parents comes back to you. Never break your father's heart. Subscribe for more true stories. Goodbye.